Hey future licensed Esties, I'm Leslie with Brilliant Skin Aesthetics. The first video I posted on YouTube was packing the state board kit for the Michigan Esthetician Practical. I want to take some time and say thank you to everyone that has watched that video, shared, subscribed because of that video, commented, asked questions, either on YouTube or on Instagram, and has visited my website. I want you guys to know I am so appreciative of the support that has been given since that video. I want you guys to know that I've made some small adjustments to the makeup portion. Rest assured though, that everyone who has worked with me using either the old way or the way I'm about to show you has passed their state exam, keeping my success rate at 100%. And I'm so happy for all the new ladies that have just recently gotten licensed that have been working with me. Your support is greatly appreciated. Everyone that has purchased the step-by-step video or the step-by-step document, thank you so much. I'm gonna start from the beginning. Hang in there while I get it set up to pack this kit. So now that I have everything that we'll need spread out, we'll go ahead and get started packing. All of my bags are labeled, and you can find labels on my website that you can cut out and tape to your bags if you don't want to write them yourselves. Also on my website, which the link will be in the description below, is a state board contents bag. You can download this, print it also, and pack your bags accordingly. One thing I want you all to keep in mind is that you will need your material safety data sheets. You will want to have this just in case the proctor or the examiner asks for it. As you can see, I've got my mannequin set out and then a couple bags at the bottom. So this will kind of be like the setup going forward. The bags at the bottom will identify what area we're working on. So for the first area, we're going to start with our mannequin. Now, our mannequin does not have to be in a bag, but if it is in a bag, the bag needs to be labeled, pre-sanitized, and disinfected. All bags that are holding items in it will be labeled and should be labeled pre-sanitized and disinfectant, even if it's the small sandwich bags. Every bag labeled. So, because I keep my mannequin in a bag, I am going to go ahead and load her in. Go ahead, toss it in, put it so that it's on the front. During the exam, they're gonna ask you to put your mannequin on the table, so it doesn't really matter if your mannequin's in a bag or if it's just in your kit outside of its own bag, but that's your choice. Bag one for us, according to the backpacking kit list, that's on the website, is going to be our pre-exam setup and disinfectant. In this bag, we have a Ziploc bag of extra gloves, a Ziploc bag full of extra paper towels, 2x2s, and it's a half sheet of paper towel in here. 2 gloves, a blood spill kit, hand sanitizer, or cavi wipes, or garbage bags that are inside of paper bags for it to stand up on the floor. We have one for single use and then one for multi-use. Then we have a piece of paper towel, which you can use paper towel or a towel for your sanitation maintenance area. So let's go ahead and stuff this bag. And I like to squeeze the air out just to kind of give us a little extra room. Our next bag is our client setup. In this bag, we have a head wrap, a queen size pillowcase. Want you guys, it's just a pillowcase. And then 3 hand towels. And we're going to put that in our client setup bag. And I do recommend for bags that we are going to be constantly in and out, or have to, constantly in and out, use the slider bags. They're a lot easier than the press and seal bags to go in and out of multiple times. So keep that in mind when you're picking your bags. Easy air out, and that's ready to go. Next, we have our hot towel bag, hot towels. It is 4 hand towels that are rolled up, and we are just going to go in here and lay them in the bag horizontally. As you can see, while I'm putting them in, they're kind of already, like, the bag is standing on its own. You kind of want that. Plus, when they're wet, they'll be a little bit more heavy and weigh down the bag. You can also use like your disinfectant wipes as a support if your bag tends to lean back or forth, but you kind of want to stand up, go in and out. So that's our first 3 product bags that we're going to be using, and then the optional bag for the mannequin. So let me go ahead, swap out, and that way we can get the other items set up. Our next bag is our skincare service kit. In this kit, we have makeup remover wipes, a magnifying glass, I have my mask, my cleansing or cleanser, moisturizer, toner, exfoliation, 2 fan brushes. One is an extra, and a couple wood applicators or wood sticks, a half sheet or a small rectangle sheet of paper towel to cover my fan brushes, a small bowl for my mask to go into. This is not a single use, this is a multi-use container. So for me, I would use a wood stick applicator to remove the product, place it in the bowl, and then use a fan brush to apply that product to the mannequin. If you have a single-use container, such as the one that my mock wax is in, you won't need the small bowl for that. You can just use that little single-use container, and that's fine. You just want to make sure that it's labeled mask. Then I have my medium-sized bowl for my water from the hot towels for when you wring those out, 1 pair of gloves, paper towel for my items to sit on, and then a towel for hand washing. I also have a small Ziploc bag that these smaller items are going to go inside of. So let's go ahead and get this packed. We're going to do wood stick applicators and my little piece of paper towel. And this one, I'm going to roll it so the air is out of it. And then in the skincare service kit goes my hand towel, paper towel, gloves, right in the back. Makeup remover wipes. I'm going to put my bowls inside of each other and stick those in there. Mask. Put my products in, get my magnifying glass in here. Toss that in on top, and then get these going. Just kind of squeeze the air out. Boom, skincare service kit packed. Next one is our eyebrow service kit. In this one, I've got a stack of 2x2s. These are not 2x2s. I have a stack of cut and rounds, astringent, my mop wax, a pair of tweezers, a couple or few eyebrow wax sticks, and a couple woven strips, one pair of gloves, a piece of paper towel for everything to sit on, and then a hand towel. So in the small bag, we're going to put our smaller items, tweezers, lipstick applicators, woven strips, and cotton rounds. Roll the air out. And then in our bigger bag, our towel and paper towel, our gloves, astringent, wax, and then stick that in on the side. Squeeze the air out, and that one is set. And then our last bag, which is where I made the changes, is to our makeup service kit. So in the previous video, we had blush, we had translucent powder, we had the eyeliner pencil, we had the mascara. We don't need that anymore. We need makeup remover wipes, toner. Mine's is not in a spray bottle for this one. So I also have cotton rounds with an extra, moisturizer. The products that we are going to use is foundation, lipstick, and eyeshadow. That's all you need. We have a pair of gloves, our neck strip, a piece of paper towel for our products to sit on, and then a hand towel. So one thing about my paper towels is I use the Bounty half sheets. This one is 3 half sheets. Most of my paper towels are Bounty 3 half sheets connected. The eyebrow wax service paper towel is literally only 2 half sheets to make a 4 sheet of paper towel. So then with that, then I have my applicator box that's got sponges for our foundation. We have a couple makeup, I call them shovels, don't really know what they're called. I'm not going to, you know, whatever, be real particular about it, but our makeup scoops to get them out of the container. Eyeshadow applicators. I left the mascara wands in here. I don't really just want them floating around. And then our lipstick applicators. You don't have to have the mascara wands in there. Again, we don't need mascara. So let's go ahead and pack this up. In the small Ziploc bag, I'm going to put our cleanser. Nope, that goes in the big one. I'm going to put our products in this one. So foundation, lipstick, cleanser, moisturizer, cotton rounds, and our eyeshadow. Then for the big one goes our towel, paper towel, neck strip, and gloves. Followed by our little kit box with our tools in it. Just trying to shift some stuff around here. Makeup wipe or makeup remover wipes or cleansing wipes. Our makeup palette. Totally forgot to mention that. And then after that's in there, we're just gonna put this right in on top. Zip that up, kind of squeeze the air out so everything fits good in our bag. And that's our next set of bags. So let me go ahead and put everything on the table, including our kit, and we will put everything in the kit. All right, so now that I have everything on the table, I'm gonna stand behind the table to show you guys this part. So for me, with the kind of kit that I have, everyone's might look a little different, and that's fine. My idea when I did the state board is to pick one direction to work in. So for me, the wheels are on the bottom of my kit. So this is the bottom of my bag. So I'm gonna work from left to right, which makes this the bottom, this, and this the top. So this is how I'm going to pack my kit so that I can work left to right. First bag in is going to be our pre-exam setup and disinfectant. I'm gonna scoot that all the way to the back. My second bag in is my client area setup, and I'm gonna just make sure the air is out of that. Then my hot towels, which you're gonna wet these before you leave your house for your exam, or if you're doing it at home, you're going to make sure that they're wet prior to you starting. After that one is our skincare service kit. Followed by eyebrow waxing and tweezing. And then last but not least, our makeup service kit. So once our bags are in there, the last thing to do is put our mannequin in, and that will go right on top. And again, your SDS or your material safety data sheets are gonna go right in with everything else. So I'm gonna put that back here. There's no pocket. Boom. Close up your kit. And you are ready to go for your state practical esthetician portion of the exam. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, questions down below. And I hope this new way, as far as the makeup portion goes, is going to be a little bit more easier and, kind of put you at ease a little bit with taking the practical. Make sure you have the PSI bulletin and that you're practicing daily up until your exam. Good luck to everyone. Be on the lookout for my next post. I am going to redo the step-by-step using the new method on the makeup portion. And if you're interested, again, that video will be for purchase. Anyone that already has access to the existing video that I know has not taken their state board yet will automatically be given access to that video. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. And as always, you all stay brilliant. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.